Hello, friends!
Welcome to Daddy N Malak.
First, let's turn on the water.
Yay, love water.
Now put soap on your hands.
So many bubbles.
Rub your hands together front and back.
Scrub, scrub, scrub.
Do not forget between your fingers.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Scrub for 20 seconds.
Let's sing a song. Scrub, scrub, 1, 2, 3, wash with me.
Now rinse your hands with water.
Splash, splash.
Dry your hands with a towel.
Fluffy towel time.
Our hands are clean.
Great hands.
Wash your hands every day.
Please like, share, and subscribe.